Hello craft cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. If you're new, I'm Jessica. Today I have a really exciting package to share with you. This is a package that came all the way from India and it is from Mehataj at Boho Needs. She is on Facebook and she has a YouTube channel as well. I'll put her links below. She makes the most amazing junk journal packages full of authentic bohemian fabrics, trims, laces, and even actual like full junk journal kits with like papers and ephemera. So today we're gonna open one up that she so kindly sent to me. And if this is the first video either that you've seen from me or the first time that you've seen me open one of these packages, I have received many from her, and actually most of my bohemian fabrics come from her. And they're just the best, and she takes a lot of the guesswork out of it for you as far as putting together nice kits that like all of the colors and laces and everything go together, so you can use these to create some really nice journals. So, ooh, it looks like we have a silvery themed kit and a more golden kit. I'm really excited. I hate messing these up because she does package them so nice, and they actually come much quicker than what I always think you would expect all the way from India, so that's nice. Now, I don't know if when you purchase these off her website, I don't know if they're ready to ship. I'm sure she has that information. Or if she still has to curate them and like, you know, put them together. So might be a little bit more handling time. I'm not exactly sure on that, but I know that lots of my subscribers have purchased from her. So, okay, let's get started. I'm really excited. I love the papers because a lot of the papers I get from her are super unique from what I have. So like we have lots of embossed papers here. So again, perfect for journals or really like any type of crafting project. But yeah, these papers are all really pretty embossed. These would be really pretty to even use on journal covers. I'll just kind of go through because I think the fabrics are like the most exciting part of this. However, again, these papers are really unique and will be really pretty to put in journals or on journal covers. So you get a good amount of papers there. And then let's go ahead. And I love the like things she sends that you can use as tassels, like this right here, like with this whole little setup would look really pretty on the binding or the spine of a journal. Really pretty appliques. So pretty. That's really beaded and sparkly. The trims, it's my favorite part. I love the trims that she includes in her kits. They are so pretty, and just imagine these on the edges of book pages, or again, you can use these on the covers of journals. If you have watched my videos for a while, you've probably seen me use these in all different ways. This one's so cute. It's like crocheted, but also has sequins. And I believe her kits probably vary a little bit because a lot of these are unique pieces. But again, her listing will mention that. Oh my gosh, I like these ones so much. And then you have a really nice pile of laces and sheer fabrics. And I just love that you can use all of these. You could use all of these together, or you can divide them up and make like a bunch of journal covers with them. You could use these on the pages. Try to keep them folded. So most of these are folded in half, so you get a really nice piece. Nice size piece. That's a really shiny lace. like the flowers on this one. And then this one here. Okay, so now we get to open up the next one. Love that. So again, this one's more of a silver, blue, gray toned. I don't know. Cool toned, I guess. We got cool tone and warm toned. Okay, so it looks like this is very similar to this set. Get a little tassel. Oops. I don't want to pull that, but I think one of the strings is attached, or actually maybe that's, is this actually attached? I just don't want to pull it. I think it is. So it's a whole little tassel set. I think that is supposed to be on there. I've never seen anything like that. That's cool. Really, really pretty applique. Oh my gosh, this would be the prettiest winter colors. Actually, both of these, now that I think about it, would be so pretty for like wintry time journaling. And then we'll go through the trims. I hope you can see how sparkly those are. My hand is starting to get numb. Oh my gosh, this one like sewn on the edge of some journal pages. Let's put these, by the way, these dogs have been barking for hours. I've been waiting to film, but I was like, I just gotta do it. I love how big this one is. This would be so pretty as like a pocket on a journal page or on a cover, of course. Gosh, those dogs, they're just outside all the time. So we have a really sparkly beaded sheer fabric there. Put those up there. I'm hoping that I can do some crafting soon because both of these kits would be so fun to work with, but it's going to be a little while before I can do too much because I am in physical therapy right now for herniated disc, so I just can't do much, and it's a bummer. Ooh, this is a really big piece here. Let's unfold that and see what that looks like. Yeah, that reminds me so much of winter. Like, I don't know, just something about it. I'm trying to decide. I feel like I usually like warmer tones, but something about this kit, I don't usually work with these colors, and so I think it's kind of calling my name. Ooh, I like these ones because it has like these little mirrored sequins. It's really pretty, like quilted looking fabric. Yeah, she just does such a good job at putting everything, coordinating everything to work together. And so again, it just kind of takes the guesswork out of it. If you're new to journaling and you're having a hard time figuring out like what papers to put together with what colors, and you want to have more of a themed journal, this is a great way to do that. These are the papers. I've never really seen papers. I mean, I've seen embossed papers, but I really like all of the prints in this one. And this is cool because you can see it has like the two sides. So if you wanted to fold this as book pages, it's kind of shows you what that would look like. Of course, you can use these however you want, but yeah, this is a really pretty journal kit. Again, we have the embossed pages there, and this one. So thanks again for sending this kit, Mehataj, and I'm so excited to see what you guys think, and let me know, sorry that I just bumped you, but let me know, what do you like best? Let's see, we got the warm, okay, well, the warm tones and the cool tones. So just let me know, do you like the whites or the bluey silvers? I guess it's gold. We'll say gold, silver. Gold and silver. Let me know. I think, like I said, normally I would go for the golds, but I really, really like the silvery one because these are just the prettiest kind of light gray blue colors that I've ever seen. So thanks again, guys, for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.